All right, now welcome to week 8 and our journey into the user interface side of Access. So, recapping what we've learned so far in the quarter, we started with the ERDs and creating the model, following whatever business rules were set for us. If you had clients, to work with them to figure out if your model accurately describes the business problem at hand and can handle the data and work with it in the way that's expected. Um, After doing the ERDs and the schemas, which together with the normalization process wraps up the logical schema part of the process, we learned how to do SQL, which will give you the power to customize some of the forms and reports that we are going to do. SQL is also one way that you can create the tables and put everything into the database to create the internal ERD that I've demoed in class with our SQL section. You can use the GUI or SQL to meet your needs there. Now we are going to roll into forms, which are going to be both a way to input data and to access the data. So you'll see some examples of those. So as always, the lectures for this class and Thursday were originally one lecture. So I tried to split it up in half approximately, but if it feels like an awkward jump, then that is why. So from here on out, we are not relying on any textbooks whatsoever. We are just going to go by the lectures, Access, people using Access. I do highly recommend that you look up other people's videos and watch other YouTube videos for additional examples, approaches for doing things, etc. Anything you learn from there, like, it won't be wrong. Like, I won't mark something wrong just because you approached it from a different place. And in fact, for your project and even for your homework, you will be expected to be resourceful and figure some things out on your own, because I'm not going to show you how to do everything in Access. Okay? Right. So with all that being said, let's get to the lectures.